All righty, ho, ho, ho. It's Collin, Fett, your agent here with the December market update. Hope you're having a great day and wish you and yours happy holidays. Let's dive right into the numbers. Some really interesting stuff going on, obviously, in the world. And as I've been talking about over the past couple months in these market updates, what we're seeing. The biggest thing, so I'll kind of breeze through the numbers. I'm going to dial in on the total for sale because that's a key metric that's kind of off kilter right now. New listings, we're at 31, or sorry, so this is for the month of November. Throughout the whole month of November, from the 1st to the end of November, we had 31 listings come to the market. We had 43 come to the market previous year, so 2019. Total for sale is 108. Last year in November, we had 188 sales for sale. So this is a number that I kind of want to key in on. We dipped below 100 a couple days, multiple days this past month, and it's about 100 less listings than what we've had. So kind of an interesting stat. So we're at 108 here for total houses on the market in Ames. We were at 188 last year. So if you look at year to date, we had just over 1,000 houses come to the market, and we had 920 this year. So we're behind by 90. So kind of what we're seeing is that every month with our active listings, we're getting about 10 to 20 less listings coming to the market every month. So just a few less people every month are putting their house on the market, but we're getting about the same number of pendings. So we're in the 50s about every month. Last year we were about in the 50s, 30s, 40s. We're kind of in the same number. So we got about 10 less listings per month, but the absorption rate, the amount of sales, is the same amount, which obviously keeps decreasing that base of properties for sale that people have to choose from. So what does that mean? I'm not 100% sure. My guess is, meaning for the future, my guess is that there's about 10 to 20 every month that normally would have sold that are probably going to be coming to the market in the spring once things get figured out with the COVID, once if interest rates stay low, especially if interest rates stay low, election stuff, and all those things were kind of keeping a lot of people from putting their house on the market. And so I think my opinion is that this spring we may see some record numbers for the amount of houses on the market, and then also the amount of sales. So somewhat the amount of sales have dropped probably a little bit, pendings, from what they could have been, because there's just not houses on the market to pick from. I've had multiple buyers that working with that. There's two or three houses in every price point, and nothing, one or two houses that come to the market. So what's that mean? Obviously, the holidays. Enjoy your time with family and friends, but it's not a terrible time to be looking. If the right house does come up, there's a lot of people that aren't looking right now, distracted by the holidays, the COVID, whatever. So it may be a good idea to keep your eye on the market if you're thinking about selling. The spring market's looking pretty good right now with the lack of inventory, but with lack of inventory, house positioned right now might sell fairly quickly. And we are seeing that. There's been multiple houses that have come on, priced right, and still sell in a day or two. So anyway, diving back in, total number of pendings, 58, down 16 from last month, but last year we're actually up 8. We were at 50 for the month of November. So we've actually had more pendings this year than last year in the month of November. Year-to-date units sold, 662, average sale price, 251, and average days on market just under 2 months. Absorption rate, this is sliding towards more of a seller's market. So we were closer to 2 months. So this is that perfect example of, hey, we've got this base of houses, and every month there's a little bit more that's getting taken away from that chunk of houses than what's getting added to it. We've got 100 houses this month, and 30 new come on, and 40 get taken away. That means we're at 90 something next month, and so that we're seeing that month over month that eventually it has to end. It can't. Well, I don't think it can go to zero houses on the market. Let's hope not. So anyway. That is the update. Hope you're having a great day and happy holidays.